Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on solving square root equations with quadratics. We're going to take a look at these two problems. You can always pause the video here and try them before we go through them. All right, here we go. Number one, we're going to start by raising both sides to the power of 2. The square root and the power of 2 are inverse operations, so they will cancel each other out. So on the left-hand side, we're just left with 2x minus 7. And on the right-hand side, we will need to FOIL x minus 3 squared is x minus 3 times x minus 3. So we will multiply those binomials. We get x squared minus 3x plus 9. And we'll combine like terms, minus 6x plus 9. And to solve a quadratic, we'll get 0 on the left-hand side. So we will subtract 2x and add 7. And now we can factor our quadratic. What multiplies to positive 16 that also adds to negative 6. Negative 4 and negative 4. And we'll set each factor equal to 0 and solve. And we get our solution 4. Always a good idea to substitute 4 back in and check. Number 2. We're going to start number 2 very much the same way. Square both sides. Square both sides. And let's see here. On this left-hand side, we do have to FOIL the square root of x minus 2 plus 3 times the square root of x minus 2 plus 3. So we will need to FOIL that out. On the right-hand side, the square root and the power of 2 cancel out. All right, let's go ahead and FOIL. The square root of x minus 2 times the square root of x minus 2 is just x minus 2. Square root of x minus 2 times 3, we get plus 3 square root of x minus 2. And then plus 3 square root of x minus 2. And then 3 times 3, we get plus 9. All right, now we have some like terms that we can combine. We can add 3 square root of x minus 2 plus 3 square root of x minus 2. And we get plus 6 square root of x minus 2. We do also have minus 2 plus 9. We get plus 7. And let's see, we can subtract x and subtract 7, bring that over to the other side of our equal sign. And we get 3x minus 6. It looks like we're going to have to square both sides again. We still have x minus 2 underneath the square root. So we will square both sides to try to eliminate this square root of x minus 2. And let's see, we get 36 times x minus 2. The square root and the power of 2 cancel out. We still need to square 6. And then on the right-hand side, we do need to FOIL 3x minus 6 times 3x minus 6. And let's see here, we get this. And we'll distribute 36. 2 is equal to, and we see that we do end up with a quadratic. So we want to make sure that we get everything onto the right-hand side set equal to 0. And let's see, we'll subtract 36 and add 72. Solving a quadratic looks like we can factor out a greatest common factor of 9. And then we'll finish factoring what multiplies to 12 that also adds to -8, -6, and -2. And then we'll set each factor equal to 0. 0 is equal to x minus 6, and 0 is equal to x minus 2. And we'll solve, and we get 2 solutions. Make sure that you do check these. I do believe that they work. I don't believe we have any extraneous solutions. Thanks so much for joining this session, and I'll see you next time.